Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pan-fried dumplings. Start by prepping filling, wrappers, and a non-stick skillet set to medium-high heat. Mix meat, cabbage, ginger, and soy sauce until cohesive, then place a teaspoon of filling in each wrapper. Crimp edges tightly and set dumplings seam side up in hot oil. Add water, cover, and steam until water evaporates and bottoms are golden crisp. Serve with dipping sauce and enjoy warm. Combine finely chopped cabbage and ground meat in a bowl and squeeze out excess moisture for better texture. Add ginger, scallion, soy sauce, and sesame oil, tasting briefly to adjust seasoning. Mix gently until ingredients bind without overworking the meat, which keeps filling tender. Use a small spoon to portion filling and avoid overstuffing wrappers. This helps dumplings cook evenly and prevents burst seams during the pan-fry process. If this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It hears voice commands and navigates around spilled flour and fallen dumpling bits like a champ. It makes cleanup so easy you can focus on folding perfect pleats instead of sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil in a non-stick skillet until it shimmers, then place dumplings seam side up with space between them. Fry until bottoms are golden, then pour in 1/4 cup water and cover to steam, cooking through without burning. After the water evaporates, remove the lid and let the bottoms crisp for 2 to 4 minutes until nicely browned. Transfer to a plate with a spatula, garnish, and serve with your favorite dipping sauce for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.